this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today a 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This vehicle features a 2.7-liter V6 engine with 4-wheel drive, and there have been no accidents or damages reported to CARFAX. As we get closer here to the front of this half-ton pickup, you'll be able to see that it is a sleek Agate Black clear coat with chrome and black accents, as you'll be able to see there on the front grille, as well as down around those tow hooks and fog lights. Those fog lights will help you out in inclement weather. And speaking of inclement weather, we'll come along here to the side, take a look at this vehicle's tires and wheels. This vehicle does have black 22-inch fuel wheels, really sturdy wheels, perfect for off-roading. But as you can see, they do extend past the fender a good bit, as they are aftermarket accessories. Now, this vehicle does have an up-to-date inspection all the way through April of next year, 2025. But this vehicle might not pass future inspections in some areas with the wheel package it is currently equipped with. The upfitter, Creeks Customs, really recommends using a stock wheel package if this issue ever arises for another inspection. With that out of the way, we'll continue to take a look now around this pickup, starting with the mirrors. Here on the outside of your mirror caps, you do have your turn signal indicators integrated into those, and on the insides on the mirrors, you'll be able to see an icon that does indicate that these mirrors are heated, which will help to prevent them from fogging up, as well as to help de-ice them in inclement weather. All along the tops of the windows, you do have rain visors, and all along the bottom of the cab, you do have black running boards to help you get in and out with ease. We'll now take a look here to the inside of this pickup. Here on the inside of this vehicle, you do have a lovely ebony colored cloth upholstery on these seats for a smooth and comfortable ride. And like I mentioned earlier, you do have those chrome and black accents making their way up the dashboard. While we're looking over here, I'll just open up the glove box and bring out the results of that multi-point inspection that I was talking about. And as you'll be able to see here on this inspection form, you do have green checks the entire way around. And as for your tire treads, you have 9/30 seconds in both your front tires and 10/30 seconds in both your rear tires. And as for your brake pads, you have 12/30 seconds in the front and 8/30 seconds in the rear. So you have a long ways to go before you need to replace any of those wearables. I'd also like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get the original owner's manual with it as well. So if you have any questions after you buy it, you'll be able to look them up in there. We'll now continue around here to take a look at the rear occupant seating. As you'll be able to see back here, this vehicle can seat a total of 5 people. And for these rear occupants, you do have cup holders back here, as well as power outlets and USB charging ports for their mobile devices. You also have pockets on the backs of both of those front seats. And down on the floors, you do have carpeted floor mats to help keep your floors nice and clean. Over here on the door, all of the doors do have several storage spaces in them, as well as powered windows. I'll just close that door, and we'll continue around to take a look here at the rear of this vehicle. And while we're making our way back, I do want to point out that you do have mud guards right behind both of those rear wheels. Alright, as you may have already noticed, back here you do have a pre-installed tow bar for a trailer hitch hookup, and you also have a spare tire behind it if you're ever in a pinch. And all along the bumper, you do have rear proximity sensors. That is what those little dots are. They will let you know if there's anything behind you whenever you're backing up or parking, and you also have a backup camera to go along with that. I will just put the tailgate down. And as you'll be able to see, this half-ton pickup does have a good amount of space in the bed, as it is a 5.5-foot bed. You also have a spray-in bedliner back here to protect the bed against any nicks or scratches those loads you put in here might give it. I'll just put the tailgate back up, and we'll continue around here to the driver's side. I would like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get 2 keys, and both of them do come with remote start. You also have a door code to help prevent you from ever getting locked out. This pickup does have powered mirrors, powered windows, and powered door locks. And as for the driver's seat, you do have 8-way powered seating adjustments, so you can move the seat forwards, backwards, up, down, tilting the seat forward and back, and then 2-directional lumbar support. You also have a tilting steering wheel, meaning you can move it up and down to fit you as you like. And to the left of that steering wheel is just your dashboard backlight controls, headlight controls, parking brake, and then those foot pedals are adjustable as well. I'll now just get inside this pickup and turn it on for you. This vehicle does use its key to start as opposed to a push to start. And now that the engine is running and the dashboard's lit up, you'll be able to see that this vehicle has about 42,960 miles on it. We'll take our attention over here to the left side of the steering wheel, as over here are your dashboard navigation buttons, so with these you can cycle through all the different information and services this vehicle provides to you. Underneath those dashboard navigation buttons, you do have your cruise controls. And then on the right side of the steering wheel are your volume controls as well as your Bluetooth and call controls, as this vehicle does have smartphone integration. We'll now take a look here to the center of this pickup. Here in the center of the pickup, you do have a lovely touchscreen, LCD display, and you also have built-in navigation with this vehicle as well to help prevent you from ever getting lost. I'll just go in reverse to show you that backup camera in action. And you can also look right beneath that tailgate in case anything runs underneath there. Right above that display, you do have a small space, and underneath it, you do have controls for said display as well as your volume knob. A bit farther down are the climate controls, and the front driver's seat and the front passenger seat are both heated to help keep you warm in the winter. To the right, you do have 2 power outlets to charge your mobile devices, and to the left, you do have your 4-wheel drive shift, and this vehicle does come with a trailer backup assist as well. Underneath all of that, you have a small space for something like your phone, 2 USB charging ports, your main gear shift here, 2 cup holders, and then your main storage compartment back here with a removable tray and another power outlet inside. Lastly, we'll take a look up, as this vehicle does come with a rear power sliding window to really enjoy those sunny summer days. We'll now move on to the last section of this video. Here in the last section of this video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so be looking around for any blemishes, nicks, or stains. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, and we want you to know what you're getting with the purchase of this vehicle, imperfections and all, before you make the drive out here to our dealership. So as I'm looking around the inside of the pickup, I only noticed you did have some scuffing there on the dashboard. But other than that, nothing is standing out to me. There are no odors or scents whatsoever. So we'll continue to take a look here now at the outside of this pickup. Again, we'll be looking up and down for any of those imperfections, starting by coming along here to the front. And here along the front of this pickup, you do have several small nicks, most likely from stone chips. Stone chipping is extremely common. Almost every vehicle has some form of it. The only way you can really prevent it is just by not driving your vehicle. This pickup is also a darker color, so it does tend to hide a little more than a lighter color might. Come along here to the passenger side. You do have a few nicks here all along the passenger side. All very small, but they are still there. And we'll continue to make our way around here now to the rear of this vehicle. Now, often on pickups where I do tend to see several imperfections is on the top of the tailgate, as people don't take care of putting items in and taking items out. And as I take a look here, that is the case for this pickup. Well, there isn't much at all on this side. On the right side of the tailgate, you do have several nicks. I'll just put the tailgate back up, and we'll continue around here to the driver's side. You have some faint scratches there. A few of those small nicks on that driver's side front door. And we are back to where we started. That generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a black half-ton crew pickup with the ability to seat 5, a spray-in bedliner, backup camera, a pre-installed tow bar, rear proximity sensors, fuel off-road wheels, black running boards, 2 keys with remote start, heated mirrors, a door code, carpeted floor mats, fog lights, tow hooks, cloth upholstery, built-in navigation, a rear power sliding window, and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive. Located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this crew pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.